The Adjustments step enables you to compare the features of the selected listings to those of the subject property and make price adjustments where applicable. For example, if the comparable listing has more square footage than the subject property, you can adjust the price based on the price per square foot to reflect the difference. This will give you a better idea of what the comparable listing might have sold for had the square footage been the same as the subject property. The form displays each comparable listing side by side with the subject property. Simply click a listing in the carousel to select the next one. When you have finished making adjustments, you can move to the Analysis step. The Analysis step helps determine a good price for the subject property. Based on the adjusted prices of all the comparable listings, a chart displays the minimum, median, average, and maximum price. You can enter your recommended price or price range in the field provided. This data will display on the listing presentation cover page. You can delete a comparable listing or add a new one. The Revise button will take you back to the Adjustment step if you need to make any changes for that listing. You can also change the sort order of the listings. This will affect the order they display on the presentation reports. When you have finished with the Analysis step, you are now ready to assemble the presentation package.